Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can delete or clear your browsing history on the Midori web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are several ways how you can achieve this. So no matter which option you go with, you will need to open up the Midori web browser, of course. And let me show you option number one. Option number one would be to simply access the sidebar here to the left, click into that clock button to access your recent search history, browse history, and you will see, for example, the websites you visited on the given day, today, yesterday, last 7 days. So if you'd like to remove these entries, right click into it and select delete page. Or alternatively, guys, you can delete the search history for the entire day by right clicking into the given date or yesterday or last 7 days and select delete. That's option number one. Option number two would be to click into these three lines on the top right and to do it like you do it on most other web browsers out there by simply clicking into history there. As you can see there, it don't feature any shortcut, unfortunately, here in Midori to access your browsing history, so you will need to click into it. And after that, simply go through your recent search history, for example, right click into it and repeat the same process, delete page. Or, for example, click into clear recent history. And after that, you may go through your browsing data, select the range here at the top, like everything, for example, which is the equivalent for all time on other web browsers. Select the items or elements below, like your histories, temporary cached files and pages, site settings, and confirm by clicking into clear. And option number three, guys, would be to access your browser settings by clicking into that gear icon in the bottom left, and to navigate to privacy and security here. And after that, scroll further down till you get to the history section here. And you can, for example, give Midori browser the command to not save your history by selecting, for example, that option. Or to clear history by clicking to this button that is going to redirect you to that window you already know, and to repeat the same process from there. So that's option number three, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.